Morning.
Good morning.
Morning. Morning. Chef, new stuff? New china? Go ahead.
Oh, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Good morning.
Let's get this organized. Okay, now we're golden. Okay. Start getting some of this out here. Pretty sure most of this goes to nothing. Okay, so this goes to nothing. So, bottles of water. Yep. Alright. Man. Collection of junk. Where did my... Let's get back to work. Cleaning all this up. Where does this go? Let's see. Get all of this nonsense up. Okay. I don't know how all this fell on the ground. Okay. Lovely. We're getting there. Let's grab that vacuum. First things first, let's kind of take care of how we're going to get these. Let's grab these. All right, gosh, this is just an absolute mess and I hate it. I don't know if there's anything else I can do. It's super organized here to get this to work the way it needs to. Can I get this like tucked in a way that make it a little less crazy? Gotta get organized as we can. Yep. Okay. Not becoming any more organized, in my opinion. It's easier to understand what's in here. It doesn't seem like that much more organized. meeting ran long. I got a little under an hour to finish this project. Sorry. No. Okay. And then I got these last two. Let's get a strap on these. Perfect. Service loop this guy up. All right. That service loop up there. Another piece there. All right. Now we're gonna tuck this guy over here. Tuck all those back there. Beautiful. I think that is pretty much going to be it for right now. Let's get this back up there. Test fit. That is a lot better. We'll be able to get that installed soon. Got all those servers looped out. Garbage. Trash. Keep. That huge rat's nest is now just all cleaned up.
Nice. Okay.
And yeah, I actually know what's going on up there.
We need a curtain or a door.
We have the receiver, and we're gonna have like an iPad up there that controls the sound machine. And then just waiting on a couple cables to get in on Monday, and then we'll be good to go. Do you need help?
He's stuck.
That's why I have to have this dorky keychain.
Thank
After
you.
you're welcome.
Goodness. Set you up on that one because we have one here. So
Which one's jammed?
this one is jammed. We need to get rid of this because every time that I put it back, it always gets jammed. From this to medium,
Printing something.
it's gonna get jammed. Like if we keep them.
Do we have a flashlight up here?
I have the phone one. It might work.
Do you mind?
Yeah.
There's no jam in here though. No, there's no jam, but it keeps saying that there's a
Yeah, you
jam.
keep saying it, right? Yeah.
Why are you being like this?
Molly, we just have to run to departures today because I think they're
Is
gone.
that why you thought there was a jam?
For real?
If that's it, that's
That
gonna
can
be
be,
crazy.
right? That's crazy. Oh my god. Look at all the dust and everything.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna see if I can order you guys a new printer. I mean, it's not that it's a bad printer, it's just printers in general don't last long.
My grandfather was an electrician. One
Oh,
of
yeah?
the best in town. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. I never got anything out of that.
IT's kind of like mini electrician. I know enough about electricity to be dangerous. I'm gonna go find Thomas and tell him that you guys need a new printer.
Perfect. Thank you, Colin.
You're welcome.
Appreciate you.
Mm-hmm.
I have a smartphone, but I don't have enough space on my phone for the validation. What do you guys do then?
You have to have it.
I don't have space on my phone.
And we can't get access to your email.
There's no way I could, there's something else, there's no alternative.
There's no alternative.
I can't delete anything off my phone.
Um,
What if somebody doesn't have a smartphone?
there is no solution for that right now.
Really?
Yeah. So you have to have the app, unfortunately.
Okay, well that can't happen.
Okay. I mean, I can reach out to home office, and they're gonna. I mean, I don't know what they're gonna say, but I know there's no alternative.
Insanity?
Yeah, they're taking security very, very seriously. They want to make sure it's you. We can let Lori know, but yeah, there is no other option.
Can they provide some kind of phone or tablet or something?
Has to be yours. Has to be unique to you. I'll reach out to home office and let them know that we do have a use case and see
Yeah.
what they say.
Yeah, that'd be great, thanks.
Mm-hmm. My goodness. Let's plug one of these in here. One of these in here just for right now. Okay, so it just got power. Okay. Alright, so let's get a sound source. Oh, just testing some stuff. That sounds pretty terrible, so hopefully we can find a little bit cleaner. So it's working. I just need to find a cleaner, probably not the best speaker setup. Okay, that sounds better. So that's gonna work. Definitely wanna come into line 2 though. All right, so got to get a adapter. Oh yeah, good snow. Okay, looks like we're gonna have some adapter options here, which is good. Split the signal twice. Adapter? No. All right. Oh, I already have a power cable. I've got it ready. This over here for right now. There's another bundle in here somewhere. Where did it go? There we go. Okay, so it looks like actual wires, yeah, we've only got, well, that's super strange. 2 going into 1. Got 1, 2. Okay, doesn't really matter, but let's see if we can get this big guy up here. Holy smokes, this thing's heavy. What are we getting caught on here? Now, there's the power. Whoa. Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. This is breaking pretty badly now. Okay, well, I think that sounds pretty good. I'm gonna need engineering's help though. Let's try. I think it's as loud as it probably needs to get in here. Okay, well, that's working. I just need engineering to help me now because this is like this is broke now. I think it's like stuck in here. It's coming down. People, this is gonna be crazy. I might not be able to make my appointment this afternoon. I need some help with engineering today up in J-Bar. I had to install a new amp and that thing that's up there is not gonna hold it. And so I just need some, I have no idea. It's like broken, that shelf, because it's very heavy. There's nothing on the back. And so it's this like that black cabinet up there. And that had a shelf that was on, like you could roll in and out. And when I tried to roll it in this morning, when I was installing it, it broke. And so I need it to be a little bit lower to fit the equipment. And I don't really need it to slide in and out. I just need it to be there to hold this amp.
So we can mount it this time and just permanently stay there?
Yeah, I mean, I don't really need to move it in and out.
Let me go with double checking. I will let you
I'll
know.
show you what, yeah, we can go look. And one of them just broke. It's kind of stuck where it is right now. So I can take it off, and the only problem is they open in an hour and a half.
God, that is a...
What about Saab? Music's back. You can see like right here, this broke. Yeah, hop up on this
Yeah,
ladder.
let me go at the other side.
So yeah, that's broken. If the top of this shelf, instead of here, could be like 2 inches lower, that would be better. And I can take all the equipment out for right now. I'll take it all out. Yeah, I'll take the equipment out. I'll put it on top. How's it going?
Yeah, good man. I mean, I got this thing. See?
Perfect. Looks good. Yeah.
Yeah, but I just need to remove these fans, but it's a little bit hard.
Okay.
Yeah.
No worries. Cool. We're not getting any sound out of these two speakers, so we gotta figure out what's the dealio. So I got my headlamp with me today, and I've got my new EDC pen light, or O-light, sorry. It's a pen light from O-light. Now I've already previously come over here and done a lot of cable management. These could be outputs. Pretty sure that's all the communication stuff. Okay. That's why it's nice to organize though. You can just easily come in here and kind of see what's going on. Other way. New ladder. It's actually going to work here. This is 1, this is 2, so 3. Do something with this. Just. Okay, well, we found what is what we're looking for. I re-strip these wires down. I hate that we have to go aluminum and copper. It's not ideal. Let's go grab some banana clips really quick. Banana clips. I think that'll work. Ooh, my key. That should work. Okay, so we got these banana clips now. Okay, let's see what happens now. Sweet. All right, we got that fixed.